Okay, so the today's topic is application of e-business. We come to know that what is the e-business, what is the advantage of e-business, what is the disadvantage of e-business. A part of that, bacha, where we can use the e-business. So one thing to we can understand very easily, कि sir, in the purchase and sell of the product or services, we can use the e-business. For example, like sir, we are purchasing the product services from Amazon, from Flipkart. That is the example of e-business. Other than this, anyone can tell me that what are the other area where the e-business can play the role?
Managing stocks, finances.
Very good. Very good. Any other? Acha guys, do you having any idea about share purchasing, stock market? है कोई idea? Have you heard the word? Share trading. Share trading is there. Purchasing of share, selling of share. बहुत सारे लोग को सुना होगा भाई share. We are purchasing share. We are selling share. We are earning amount. We are losing the amount. तो बच्चा that is known as e-trading. What word is there? E-trading. Just a minute. I'm writing down. I'm just writing down also on the whiteboard. Uh, yeah. So, bacha, that word is known as e-trading. Okay. So what is the e-trading? The online purchase or sell of securities. Like share is there, bonds are there. That is considered as a e-trading. ठीक है? तो sell of shares, sell of securities, shares, bond, that is considered as e-trading. So please write down this thing in your copy, that the application of e-business is there a part of normal purchase and sell. It is there in the area of e-trading. E-trading, where we are purchasing and selling the securities by utilizing the online transaction, which is just like share, bonds, and that is happened in stock exchange. The most famous stock exchange in India is BSE. The most famous stock exchange in India is bacha BSE. BSE full form, anyone is knowing? BSE full form? BSE stock exchange full form, anybody is knowing? Acha, today is which day, bacha? Today is which day? Thursday. Okay.
Thursday.
Okay. So, bacha, on Monday, we will have a little bit half an hour business quiz session. What you have to do in that, bacha, some advertisements, some video, some taglines, some famous faces of any CEO, any company founders, some company logo you have to identify. I will give the things to you and you guys prepare. Saturday and Sunday you guys prepare, and after that on Monday, on coming Tuesday, we have this particular session. Okay, so it will be very interesting when you will prepare it. First time we will keep it the things very easy logo, very easy faces, but slowly and slowly it will be harder one. So BSc, a BSc full form business quiz में पूछता है, what is the full form of BSc? So BSc is Bombay Stock Exchange. Have you heard this word, Bombay Stock Exchange? Tell me, who had heard this word, Bombay Stock Exchange, BSC? The BSC is the most famous stock exchange where purchase and sale of securities are taking place online, and that is known as e-trading. So e-trading is also the part of e-business. Acha. Second one is e-communication. E-communication. अब बच्चा e-communication is what? Acha, how many of you had seen this, that when you are using your Facebook, in a corner some ads are coming? देखा है किसी ने? क्या भाई? I am audible to everyone. I am audible to everyone. Tell me,
Yes, sir.
son, why this Sole film is there? इतना सन्नाटा क्यों है भाई? बोलो, why this much sannata is here? Everyone is keeping quiet. All are
But
doing.
you are not audible.
All are doing the spiritual meditations. Nobody is speaking. Why so? I'm audible properly, na?
Yes, sir.
Then why the your voices is not coming to me?
No,
Check if
sir,
your
you
mic
are not audible.
not audible. 2 plus 2 how
कैसा
much?
सुन लिए तुम अभी?
2 plus 2
4.
how much? It means there's a problem in audio. Wait, just a minute, bachcha. Just a minute. So, bachcha, I was discussing the same thing. I will repeat again. No issue is there. I will repeat again. So, we were discussing about the first term is e-trading. What is the e-trading? The e-trading is simply there's a problem is there. So e-trading is what, bacha? E-trading is the procedure of online purchasing and selling of the securities. Online purchasing and selling of the securities. Securities means shares. Security means bond. And where it will take place? It will take place in the stock exchange. Okay, and that will be considered as a.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, bacha. That will be take place in the BSC, that is known as Bombay Stock Exchange. Okay. Next one is e-communication.
तो एक बार और रिपीट कर दीजिए.
बच्चा आज लग रहा है यही 2 पॉइंट ही पढ़ाते
एक बार रिपीट.
आज लग रहा है इस 2 पॉइंट से तुम लोग आगे नहीं बढ़ने दोगे क्या हमको? चलो कोई नहीं.
हम नहीं अभी.
देखो, we are discussing about the application of e-business, that where we can utilize our e-business, okay? So in that e-business, bacha, the first application is e-trading. What is the meaning of e-trading? E-trading is the procedure where we are online purchasing and selling the securities, online purchasing and selling the shares, online purchasing and selling the bonds. That is considered as a e-trading, and this will be act as a stock exchange. Getting? The biggest stock exchange, the famous stock exchange in India is BSC, Bombay Stock Exchange. Next one is e-communication. Before I proceed to the e-communication use, you tell me that whenever you are using the Facebook, in the side of the Facebook, ads are coming.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Like what type of ads are coming? Sometime Myntra ad is coming, sometime Jabong is ad is coming, Snapdeal ad is coming, sometimes so many ads are coming. Sometime when you are using any particular website, a pop-up is coming to you. You please subscribe this. Sometime it is coming that please purchase this product. This heavy discount is there. Whenever we are utilizing any website. So, bacha, e-communication is what? Doing the advertisement electronically. Doing the advertisement online is considered as a e-communication. So, providing the information to the customer online. Providing the information to the customer online. Online information in the form of advertisement. that is considered as a e-communication. Sometime some opinion polls are there ki between the KTM and between the Bullet, which one is good. So you are promoting that online. That is what, that is the e-communication. You are comparing the two mobile phone. One ad is there na, वो सुना है ad, डब्बा है डब्बा अंकल का टीवी डब्बा. You don't have the HD box, so your TV become dabba. Tata Sky.
डब्बा
हाँ. So कहने का मतलब बच्चा, so many advertisements, so many informations are delivered in the terms of business online, and that is considered as a e-communication, and e-communication is also the part of e-business. अच्छा एक देखो नया आजकल चला है, what? E-delivery. अब अच्छा one is known as physical delivery. Like suppose if you purchase any book, the book is physically delivered to your home with the help of courier partners, with the help of Amazon and Flipkart. That is delivered to you physically. The book you can touch, the book you can see, the book you can hold in your hand. So this type of concept is also coming, e-delivery. Like now you can read it, the book online. The book will be sent to your mail. You can open it from there and you can read it, the book online. You can read the book. You can receive the book in your mail. This type of concept you are knowing or not?
yes sir, Kindle sir.
Kindle is the best one. Acha, one, like suppose recently I purchased a Microsoft software. Okay? MS Office 2020 I purchased this. Earlier when I was purchasing this, so MS Office 2020 CD and the product key, registered key, is delivering to my address. It is coming in a box where one CD is there and the key is there. A secured key where I have to scratch with the coin, scratch it, then the key will come to me and I can enter the key in my software and I can use it, the software. Nowadays what's happened, when I purchase this MS Office 2020, then this is coming not to my home, not to my home address. It is coming to my registered mail. It is coming to my registered mail and I just received the delivery of my Microsoft key online. And that is what, bacha, that is the e-delivery. So any particular things, what you can tell me, you please tell me. Acha, now the doctors are also delivering the description online. You are knowing that? One particular app is there.
Medicine also, sir.
One particular app is there. I'm forgetting the name of that app. Very, very good, very popular app is there, where you can consult the doctor online and the doctor will send the all details, all the medicinal name online to you. That is considered as a description, not pacha. Okay, no.
Sorry.
Nah, so what is pacha? Description. Acha, you guys just search the name of that. Docs app, DOCSAPP, Docs app. So Docs app, where you have to register, per time doctor's consult fees is 175 rupees. You can take a gold membership of 999 and there the products will be delivered to you online. Acha, how many of you hear the name of Lenskart.com?
Here sir.
Me, sir.
Hi, sir. Yes, sir. Here.
So Lenskart.com is now delivering the specs to online trial. ठीक है, you just upload your face. The face will be converted in 3D face, and there you
3D
can check all the specs, how the specs will look on your face. And when you are satisfied with that, then they will deliver the products physically to you. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
ऐसा ही होता है ना भाई?
Yes, sir.
So these all are bacha. E-trading, e-communication, e-delivery is the part of e-business. E-trading is online purchase and sell of securities. E-communication, online information delivered in the form of advertisement. E-delivery means online delivering the services or product online. That is considered as a e-delivery. Okay. Acha, next one is I think you heard this one also, e-bidding.
No,
How many of you are knowing about the company Big Bazaar?
Yes, sir.
no, sir.
Everyone,
Big
sir.
Bazaar, Big Bazaar is running sometimes सबसे सस्ते दिन. Like this tagline is coming.
हाँ,
सबसे सस्ते दिन, सबसे
yes, sir.
सस्ते
Sir,
5
Big
दिन,
Brother
सबसे
कोई
सस्ते
नहीं है.
10 दिन. This type of
पुराना दो नया लो,
by the Big Bazaar. Huh?
Spencer.
पुराना दो नया लो.
No, that is a different concept. What I'm coming to you, that you please be with that only. That Big Bazaar is running sometimes sabse saste din. On that, Big Bazaar
Yes.
is giving to fix your price option, where the persons are setting the price, and which price having the most option, that price will be fixed as a price of that particular product. तो ई बिडिंग इज ई बिडिंग, ई ऑक्शन. ऑक्शन सुना है ना वो जो बच्चा, जो ऐसे नहीं होता है कि दिस पर्टिकुलर हाउस इज देयर, तो दिस पर्टिकुलर हाउस इज नाउ गोइंग टू सेल at the price 35,000. Whosoever is interested, they can claim the price. So 35,001, 35,002, suddenly 40,000.
Bollywood.
हाँ, so that is called in English auction. So 40,000.
IPL.
Now the person will come 40,001, 40,002, then 75,000. And then a hero will be there, Indian film hero, who will say 1 crore. Up, nobody get the price. And now okay, 1, 2, 3, house is sold to Mr. X. So now this type of auction is held online also. Now this type of auction is held online. That is known as e-auction. E-bidding is what? That we bid the price. अच्छा, आपने बहुत सारे ऐसे ऐप भी देखे होंगे, बहुत सारे ऐसे प्रोग्राम्स. You can see there the lowest and unique bid will win the mobile phone, win the computers. ऐसे आते हैं ना, देखा है आपने कभी? बहुत सारे चैनल्स पे एडवर्टीजमेंट्स आते हैं कि fix your the lowest bid, and that lowest bid should not be matched with the other one, so you can win the mobile phone. You can win that. That is called e-bidding. That is called e-bidding. Like suppose for this particular mobile phone, I fix the lowest price of 10 rupees 73 paisa. Ab nobody had fixed that 10 rupees 73 paisa, so I will have this particular mobile phone. That is what e-bidding. So you get it, the concept of e-bidding and e-auction? Tell me, bacha.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You get it, the concept
Yes,
of
sir.
e-bidding and e-auction? Chalo. Acha, one more thing is there. E-procurement. ठीक है जी. E कौन इंटर करना चाह रहा है, बहुत देर से इंटर नहीं कर पा रहा है. PROCUREMENT. E-procurement means बच्चा क्या होता है, सिंपल सी बात समझना कि sometime we are doing the online trading of purchase and sell, online trading of assets, online trading of you can say online trading, online multiple buyers and sellers meet together. That all is also happened. For example, you knowing this particular website OLX? सुना है कभी नाम?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In
Yes, sir.
OLX,
Sir.
in OLX, I have particular mobile phone. I just upload the picture of the mobile phone with the special specification and the fixed price. And after that, that mobile phone will be demanded, will be watched by so many person, and whosoever will interested, that person will contact to me and I can sell the mobile phone. So this whole procedure is happened online only. And that is the part of e-business. Okay. So these all are the bacha example of e-business, and that is what e-trading, e-communication, e-delivery, e-bidding, and e-procurement. Okay. So bacha, Up now the next process is what? The next process is our steps in online transactions. How the steps involved in online transaction? Number one is that pre-purchase or sell stage, where we have to make up a mind that what we have to purchase. How we will easily influenced by the advertisements, what advertisements are coming in newspaper, what advertisements is coming in the online. Like suppose this is example of a Facebook advertisement, where if you open a Facebook page, if you open your Facebook page, then one advertisements are coming like this, one advertisements are coming like this, and you will just click on that buy now. And when you go for the buy now, this particular page will be there, where the price negotiation, finalizing the deal and making payment will be there. And after that, bacha, the delivery of products will be dispatched to the goods of to buyer. And that delivery can be the fast delivery nowadays, and that delivery can be the normal delivery. Acha, I am requested to repeat that. Bacha, stages involved in online transactions are, the first one is a stage that you have to first fix that what you have to purchase, and how you will influence by the help of advertisements. By the help of advertisements. Second is what, bacha, when you fix that what we have to purchase, then your price negotiation will be there. You can offer the price. Like suppose on OLX, one particular mobile phone is there which is quoted 10,000 rupees. So you can negotiate that. You can sell to the seller that I want this particular mobile phone at 7,000 rupees. Seller said, no, I will last price 8,000 rupees. And after that, the deal will be finalized. And once you take the product, you have to make the payment of the same. You have to make the payment of the same. Acha. Once you make the payment, sometimes COD option is also there. COD is what, bacha? Cash on delivery. What is cash on delivery? You receive the product, then only you have to pay. That is what? Cash on delivery. And sometimes COD option is not there. You have to make the payment in advance. That is what? Prepaid. That is what?
Online.
Prepaid. Okay. After making the payment, they will pack your goods and dispatching to your address, where you can collect your goods. Procedure for online transaction, how we can do this? So first, bacha, we have to register on a particular website, like my email address. You have to give the email address on the Amazon. Then if you have the password, then you will enter your password. If your password is not there, you can create the password. If you forget your password, then one option is also there. One option is also there. That is what, bacha? Forget password. Okay? Sometimes some persons are forget the password. Like I myself always forget the passwords of that. So I just click on this particular button, forget password. So with this particular account, whatever the link is registered, whatever the mobile number is registered, your password will be sent to that mobile phone, that particular mail. And from there, you can recover your password. And after that, bacha, after that, you have to place the order. Like suppose Nancy want one mobile phone of iPhone 11 Pro. iPhone 11 Pro. So Nancy just log in Amazon, select the phone iPhone 11 Pro and send it to the add to cart, where you can edit this mobile phone for the further purpose. Okay, Nancy is there or not? लग रहा है नैन्सी मोबाइल फोन खरीदने
Yes, sir.
अच्छा हम I thought that you went to purchase the mobile phone.
नहीं सर, मिल ही नहीं रहा है चाहिए तो
After that, बच्चा अच्छा बच्चा, I'm just doing the online transaction and I'm sending the iPhone 11 Pro to you. Okay बच्चा, देखो, after placing the order, then you have an option of payment mechanism. A payment mechanism having so many options. What payment mechanism have the option, bacha? It can be COD. What is COD? COD is cash on delivery. That once you receive the product, then you can make the payment. check options, so many online platforms are not accepting the check options. Net banking, you can pay by using your net banking, you can pay by using your credit card, debit card. Digital cash means e-wallets, like Paytm is there, like Jio Money is there, like Phone Pay is there, Google Pay is there. So many payment options are there. And after making the payment, you can have your product. Okay, you can have your product. So bacha, after this bacha payment mechanism, after a few days you will receive your products and the online transaction procedure over. So online transaction procedure is what? Very simple: registration, placing the order, payment mechanism, receiving of the goods, and the matter is over. Okay, acha. One thing is there that types of business risk, the securities what are there in the e-business, that point we will cover tomorrow. Okay, the securities and the risks are there in the e-business. So till then, take care, bye bye, thank you very much. And what
Thank
we
you, sir.
covered
Thank you.
today,
Thank you, sir.
we covered today, what topic we covered bacha? We covered the procedures of online transactions, as well as the places where we can have the application of e-business, like in e-trading, e-communicating, e-delivery, e-procurement, and one more thing is there na, e-auction. Okay, so thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.